Hey guys, it's Ina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you variations of press ups, moving on from the easiest to the hardest ones, so full press ups. The first press ups I'm showing you is the wall press ups. Still very good exercise for your chest and your triceps and building up that strength for the press ups. Moving on to press ups on your knees. Keep your core tight, chest open, and do as many as you can. From here you will want to progress to full press ups. And here we have full press ups. So again, keep your core tight, keep your chest open, and do as many as you can do press ups on your toes. If you cannot complete many, don't worry, just do a few, as many as you can do, and then go on your knees and complete your set. Do about 3 to 4 sets, and yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon again. Bye.